Hi there, myself Haripriya. So today's topic is how to show confidence while the interview is going on. So let's get into the topic. First of all, maintain a good posture. Maintaining a good posture will count in every interview. That it shows that you are attentive and also you are engaged in the topic that is being discussed, and also the questions is asked in the interview. Ensure that you maintain an appropriate eye contact towards the interviewer. It shows and also gives you the best impressions while the interview is going on. Use positive body language so that by maintaining the positive body language, use your hands and also appropriate gestures when you are pointing out some important points, so that it gives more confidence to raise your points and also explain your things to them. And remember to ask some thoughtful questions that you have and you want to ask regarding the role and the position and also about the company. This shows your engagement and also interest to work in the company. Be yourself and also be genuine, and also recall all your past achievements that you have been made in past companies. And remember, confidence is not about being arrogant and being overbearing. It is only how you develop yourself, express yourself, and also in best light and showcase and also how you showcase your qualifications and skills to them, so that in order to get into the company and also work well,